So now we're going to move on to a different technique, and this is a technique where you use glitter to make a glitter design without the use of the gilded paste. Here is the glue that I'm going to use, and I'm going to make a flower and just trace the glue into the shape of a flower. This glue is like similar to eyelash adhesive use, and it can also be used to put on the jewels later on. But basically I'm just going to make the shape of the flower and make the petals. Then I'm going to squeeze the glitter on it. And it doesn't matter if you go a little bit over the edge, because we're going to use a brush to brush off the excess. And there you have the design. Leaves a very clear outline. And this is almost dries immediately, so you don't have to worry about using the hair dryer. And it can be removed later with a little dab of alcohol with a cotton ball or something, and it'll come right off.